Need that like a hole in the head. Hey, how you doing today? I'm just pouring myself a little Sauvignon Blanc, Kim Crawford out of New Zealand. That is so clean and crisp. You know, I got this LCBO Cheers to Summer magazine in my mailbox. Most of it is ads for wines and beers and that kind of thing. Oh, and I guess I should tell you, LCBO stands for Liquor Control Board of Ontario. Yeah, they control it, all right. But I did find a recipe when I was kind of gandering through here. They call it a White Sangria Slushie. Ha! I think it should have a better name. Something maybe like a PEACHYKENO! I'm not sure if I can change a name of a drink that somebody else invented, but this drink actually came from Eric Vellend. He's out of Toronto, and he actually writes for the LCBO magazine that we get every quarter, I guess. It's a great little magazine. It's got food recipes, a few drink recipes. Yeah, Eric Vellend, well, he's a wine critic. He used to work in professional restaurants, you know, doing big catering jobs of like 800 people. He writes now. He writes for LCBO. And this is his contribution. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with some white wine, a nice dry white wine, Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. And you know, this is a wonderful little wine. It is because, why do I know that? Because I'm drinking it. No. It's full of tropical flavors. There's some grasses in there too. It's very, very crisp. And the biggest thing about it, I think, that is going to make this drink work is the vibrant acidity that this wine offers. It's just going to balance out all the sweetness of this drink. So let's do it, eh? So what we want is 8 ounces, or I guess that's 240 mil of this wonderful wine. That's the craziest cocktail shaker I ever saw. Followed by some lemon juice, okay? Where's my knife? And we want 3/4 of an ounce. I'm gonna be fairly accurate here. You were there. 3/4 ounce fresh pressed lemon juice. Okay. Get rid of this. Brandy. We want 1.5 ounces, or I guess that's 45 mil, isn't it? Brandy, yeah. Simple syrup. Same amount. 1.5 ounces, 45 mil. Yeah. Cha-cha. Now we're just going to give this a stir. Stir it all up nice. So all we're going to do is put a lid on here. Yeah. And we're going to pop it in our freezer, all right? And you want to freeze it up to at least 6 hours, maybe overnight would even be better. At least, at best, I guess, up to 3 days in the freezer. And it's not going to freeze completely. I've pre-made one, so I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my frozen one, and it's so neat because it doesn't really freeze 100%. Yeah, look at that. See, it's kind of, it doesn't really freeze 100%. So, but it's nice and cold. Okay, now, now I gotta go get my peaches. I got my peaches. So, we need our blender. Yeah, your blender right here. What I got here is 1 cup of frozen peaches. Wow, aren't they peachy? I'm gonna dump those into our blender. Yeah. Along with our mix. Wow, isn't that neat? It's gonna be so icy cold, cool me down on this sweltering day. All we wanna do is blend it up till it's nice and smooth and creamy. All right. Oh yeah, that's a slushie. Oh geez, eh? 15-20 seconds there. And this will make 2 drinks. So we're just gonna pour these out real nice. Oh geez, look at that. Look at that color. Holy crap, man. This looks wonderful. Perfect. All right. And we're gonna garnish this with some fresh mint. I gotta go get some fresh mint out of my garden. I'll be back. Watch your step, Aaron. Where the hell is it? Oh, here it is. Wow, it's kind of going to seed or something weird like that, man. All right, we'll just take I'll take a couple, actually, the younger shoots will be nice. That's perfect. Nice fresh mint. Holy crap, minty. Okay, let's go. let's garnish this drink and drink it. Yeah, we'll just trim this up here. Ooh, there's a nice beauty. Look at that. Just give it a good slap. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, baby, that's nice. Looking good. Good looking. Yeah. Some straws. I mean, I guess you could either use some straws or you could use a spoon. I got a straw here, which I'm gonna have to cut because they're too long. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Oh. Let's check it out. It's definitely a sangria. I get the wine, like right up front. The peaches also right up front. Holy crap. This is going to cool you down like nobody's business. Not really tasting the brandy much, but it's in there and that's what's gonna give it the kick. That's nice. It's very, very nice. Definitely an adult slushie. Cheers. Pop a lid on here, and what we're gonna do, oh, need a cloth. Happens. Hey, you know, this is Eric Vellend's cocktail, at least his contribution to Food and Drink magazine. He calls it the White Sangria Slushie. I think it deserves more. It definitely is a PEACHYKENO. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, check some other videos, and hit that little bell there. That way you get notification every time we do a new video. And it's going to help us out a lot. Video. Yeah. Video. Well, that's what happens when you have too many of these. Good cut.